Hey, I'd like to say a big thank you to the ones who posted and answered, why do birds like to gather on electrical lines? Now the question is, why do birds like to gather on electrical towers? So as you can see, the birds are quite interested in having a little gathering on this tower. Now the answer that was written is that possibly it's like an airport and they are going to be getting ready to migrate somewhere as a flock or as a herd or as a gathering. That it's like a reporting station perhaps, and they're all waiting for others to come so that they can get ready and migrate somewhere, some direction. That sounds like a good explanation. I want to throw in there another idea. It will sound very radical, of course, as you might expect from this channel, but I am thinking that perhaps birds definitely have some electrical properties to them. And that is why they fly. Because it's electrical magnetical. It's not that crazy idea about creating pressure. There's a high pressure and a low pressure and then you reverse it because they flap their wings. I don't think so. And that's not the principle of flight either, of jet flight or air flight. I believe the principle actually is that you're generating an electromagnetic field when you fly in a jet or even an airplane. And that electromagnetical field rides on the electromagnetical field that exists in the sky or in the air. So I don't know if you've ever taken two magnets, and if they're in opposite poles, they kind of like repel each other. And you can glide those magnets rather than the two magnets attract one another and stick together. So I'm suggesting the possibility that that is the basis of all air flight. One electrical magnetic field on top of another electromagnetical field. And maybe the birds like electrical lines and like electrical towers because of the presence of the flow of that electricity. Now once again, I do want to thank the ones who gave me that response because it seems like a very valid response and a good one. But the purpose of my channel is to bring truth and to explore truth. And one other purpose is to engage others, to work together and to somehow try to come to some idea and understanding of truth, because almost all truth has been hidden from us. And that's the basis of the hoax-lie world. It's the hiding of truth, as well as the presenting of those hoaxes. So I do believe that the truth has been hidden to us about air flight. It has nothing to do with air pressure, creating a higher air pressure under the wings and giving it lift. I don't think so. I think it's the generation of an electrical magnetical field, and that repels the electromagnetical field that's present in the sky, which gives you your lift and your propulsion in the sky, so that jets kind of slide across the sky and airplanes kind of slide across the sky because it's on an electrical magnetical field. As one person put it, they levitate. So maybe birds do some levitation and maybe they like being around electricity. I don't know for sure. I'm just bringing out some ideas and some possibilities and some thoughts. So without you watching, I wouldn't make videos. So if you've been watching, I'd like to thank you for watching this video. End of video.